got, everything you are. Hey. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, a mistreater, a deceiver. You must not know me. On my way to hell, and I don't even care. I just blow tricks. Nah, you must not know me. Ain't never been good to anybody, man. I would step up to anybody. Don't talk to me like you anybody, oh no. But I must admit it's something different when I'm feeling your existence, oh Lord. And you make me wanna switch this way that I've been living. I don't get it. How do you love me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install this blonde crimp wig with dark roots. This is a synthetic lace front wig. I cut it and I installed it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that today and also giving you a little bit of a review on the hair. This isn't really a look I typically go for. This is my first time trying blonde hair. It's my birthday week and I just wanted to spice things up a little bit. So thank you for watching. This is the card for the wig. So as you can see, she's wearing the black color, but I really wanted to try something different that I've never tried before. So that's why I'm going to be trying the blonde color. This is from the brand Sis Sister Wig, and it has HD lace, and it's in a crimp style. So
You give me everything you've got, everything you are. Hey.
So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. So of course we're gonna want to take this off. This is a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. This is a lot more hair than I'm used to. Show you guys how long it is.
You give me everything you've got, everything you are. Hey. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, a mistreater, a deceiver. You must not know me. On my way to hell, and I don't even care. I just blow tricks. Nah, you must not know me. Ain't never been good to anybody, man. I would step up to anybody. Don't talk to me like you anybody, oh no. But I must admit it's something different when I'm feeling your existence, oh Lord. And you make me wanna switch this way that I've been living. I don't get it. How do you love me? Yeah. Set the lights up, what's the last time? How do you love me? Yeah. You know when last time ain't the last time. You've got everything you are. Hey. How do you love? I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, a mistreater, a deceiver. You must not know me. On my way to hell, and I don't even care. I just blow tricks. Nah, you must not know me. Ain't never been good to anybody, man. I would step up to anybody. Don't talk to me like you anybody, oh no. But I must admit it's something different when I'm feeling your existence, oh Lord. And you make me wanna switch this way that I've been living. I don't get it. How do you love me? Yeah. Set the lights up, what's the last time? How do you love me? Yeah. No one last time ain't the last time. How do you love me? How do you love? Hey. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, a mistreater, a deceiver. You must not know me. On my way to hell, and I don't even care. I just blow tricks. Nah, you must not know me. Ain't never been good to anybody, man. I would step up to anybody. Don't talk to me like you anybody, oh no. But I must admit it's something different when I'm feeling your existence, oh Lord. And you make me wanna switch this way that I've been living. I don't get it. How do you love me? Yeah. Set the last time, what's the last time? How do you love me? Yeah. Knowing last time ain't the last time. Give me everything you've got, everything you are. You give me everything you've got.
Okay, so now I'm going to use my palette to go in and define the parting space more, because as you can see with this wig, it is a synthetic wig. So with the synthetic wigs, the parting space isn't always the best. So I'm just gonna go in and
young lady, looking fine, where you came from. Just wanna know your name. Just wanna show you things. I mean, I would've said that, I ain't even said none. Her beauty wrecked my brain. I couldn't say a thing. Remember that? She had her hair curled, glasses on, denim shirt, wrapped at arms around her waist. The moccasins is what locked me in, couldn't be away. Girl, I need to stay. I mean, I tried to leave, but I can't go. Her favorite band is War Paint, but her favorite song is by Sango. Now she's here with me, sitting Indian style. Finally made that move, we sat and talked for a while about everything's changing. From music to our exes in Austin and Texas at South by. Watch a Chance the Rapper with a hipster girl. Watching James Blake with a hipster girl. Something. You match everything about me. Oh girl, I want you to be about me. I'll take the time to learn your love, and I know we could be.
honestly, I do really like this hair a lot. One thing I would say is that I wish it was a bit shorter. have this headband, so I have mixed feelings about this wig. Okay, so I decided I'm going to cut the hair because I feel like it's just way too long. So, bear with me. I think I'm gonna cut about this much off. So this probably isn't the best way to cut a wig, but I've always found that works for me. Okay. Okay, so it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Time to even it out. I'm a joke. I am truly a joke. All right. Okay, we did it. I like this length a lot better. Hey guys, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.